I'm gonna give a quick tour of my little gardens. In this first bed, I planted everything a little over a week ago, except for these garlic chives and chives. They've been here since last year, but I believe they were growing longer than that. On the corners, I have marigold, as I have found that they help deter rabbits and deer. And it looks like we have a little slug in here, which I'm gonna move him out. Okay, so I think these are gonna be white marigolds, but we will find out in a little while. Another marigold over here. I planted echinacea in here. I think I had seen a little sprout, but I'm afraid a little baby slug might have gotten it. I do think this might be a weed, but since I'm not sure, I'm going to leave it here till it grows a little bit more and I can confirm that. Next we have sage in this little square. Again, I think this is another weed, but we'll wait and see. I haven't seen any sprouts yet, so I think I have like one more week or week and a half left before they might still pop up. And if we move over here, we have dill, and I did see, yep, right back over here, some little sprouts. That's kind of it for dill so far. And here I have carrots. I planted regular carrots and then a rainbow blend. I've never done rainbow blend before, so I'm really excited. And we do have some little sprouts popping up. And we have green onions, which quite a few little guys popping up here. Yeah. And then cumin, which I have heard is very difficult to grow, especially where I'm at. I was going to get some more seeds and soak them and try to grow some inside, but I then realized I used all of the seeds that I currently had in here. So I'm going to see if I can make some sort of greenhouse thing to put over. I don't have anything in here just yet, except for some more weeds, probably. And then we have some oregano. And there are some tiny little sprouts right over here, right there, with some cotton from the cottonwood trees. Oh, and we have a few more little ones over there. Oh yeah, a lot of them over there. Then this year I decided I focused on vegetables or herbs last year, and so this year I wanted to just plant something pretty to look at. So I picked snapdragons. I think they're quite fun. And we do have a couple little ones popping up already. So I'm very excited to see these guys come through. This is a little misleading. It's actually basil. There's two different kinds. If I remember correctly, I think this is like a purple basil. And then we have some other ones here. Oh, and it looks like a baby slug on there. I had put the container around it because, as you can see, it's been getting eaten. And I'm not 100% sure yet, but I think this might be a sign of like too much sun, which kind of surprised me because I thought basil really enjoys sun. But let's see if we can get this little baby slug off. I believe the compost that we had, or some of the soil, actually had some slug eggs in them. So I had put this copper tape around all the edges of my garden bed to prevent slugs from coming in here. So I believe that any slugs that are coming in are because slug eggs hatched. Okay, we'll get this back in place. I also can't 100% remember if I planted some basil seeds, but this is either a weed or something else, so we'll find out later. Then I have some thyme. I had some started, so added that in here. And then we do have some little sprouts. And white marigold again too. This one has a little bud forming.